Seattle Police Department.
Got no movement.
I need you to come to the front door, open it slowly, with nothing in your hands, and put your hands out the front door. Do it now.
They definitely have the
Go! Where's he at? He's down!
This is the Seattle Police Department.
Yeah, there is.
I need you to come to the front door, open it slowly, with nothing in your hands, and put your hands out the front door. Do it now.
Hey, you want me to shut this door? Yeah, that'll help. Heads up. Hands! Hands down! Put it down now! Shut it down! Take cover! Take cover! Where is he?
Hey, shots fired. Joe, I got him. Hey, I got a suspect.
This is the Seattle Police Department. I need you to come to the front door, open it slowly, with nothing in your hands, and put your hands out the front door. Do it now.
Yeah, just watch your head. Because they definitely have the high ground.
He's still got the gun. Drop the gun!
Where's he at? Where's he at? Good?
He's right in front.
Are you good?
I'm good. Gun's still in his hand, pointing towards us. Joe, you got him?
Yep, I have him.
Gun's out.
Yep. You can